Okay, previously we created C sharp major and we inserted B sharp on our order of sharps to indicate that B is the seventh sharp that occurs in music. Now we are moving to the flat section of our scale construction. So we must come back to C major that has no sharps and flats. Now, the the meaning of flat is to lower a pitch by a half step. Okay, now what we're going to discover is that the first half of a scale that we have becomes the second half of the scale that we need to use. So we take the first half of C major, which is the first tetrachord of C major, C, D, E, F, and that becomes the top half of the next scale, which so happens to be F major. Now, what we have to do at this point is we have to say our musical alphabet backwards. Okay, so in order to create this. Now, each time for a new scale, we're going to start from the fourth degree and move backwards or move down. So F, E, D, C, F, E, D, C in the new scale. And then we complete our musical alphabet, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F. Okay, and this is the outlay of our new scale. So we know that C, D, E, F is already this proper sequence of tetrachord, which is a whole, whole, half. Okay, now let us play F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F and see what that sounds like. Okay, now we should notice that the B sound incorrect. Let's look at the tetrachord. Whole step, whole step, whole step. That's why the B sounds wrong, because it's a whole step. We want a half step. So we want whole step, half step. So let's listen to the tetrachord with the correction. All right, that's why F major has one flat, which is B flat. And what did we learn from that? We learned that B flat is the first flat that happens in music. Now, what we will also notice is that the order of flats is the order of sharps being said backwards. Order of sharps, F, C, G, D, E, F, C, G, D, A, E, B, and the order of flats is the same backwards. Now, let's talk about the little story that's used to remember the order of sharps. So we go back to the Renaissance period, okay, when the priest was very influential over people. And so we say, Father Charles goes down and ends battle. See, the people were fighting, and so we need a priest to come and stop them from fighting. Father Charles goes down and ends battle. So you must say that several times to remember that storyline. Father Charles goes down and ends battle, and then be able to say it backwards for the order of flats. Battle ends and down goes Charles' father. That is the order of flats. Okay, so where are we? Let's come back to our outline of scales, and we're dealing with F major, and we put in the B flat. We've already done that, and we've indicated that B flat is the first flat that happens in music.